Oh, hello there. I woke up this morning, excited for the day. Emerged from my small home and then I was on my way. I'm an independent woman, comfy in my skin. At least I will be once I shed this exoskeleton. In case you couldn't tell from my big red compound eyes, 6 segmented shapely legs, or the fact that I can fly, I will make my introduction in Linnaean terms. I am a Cicada septendicim, or in other words, I'm a lady cicada, awake after a 17-year snooze. Just a lady cicada, ready for a few short hours of cruising. Time to find me a partner, somebody with whom to start a one-day family. Oh, I'm a lady cicada who wants to make a nymph with me. We wait underground until it is time to emerge. And then one fine day, there's a new generation on the verge. The males do the singing, the females wait to be wooed. And that's what it's like to be part of a cicada brood. So far, I'm surprised at how quiet my suitors are being. I guess they don't know there's a new gorgeous specimen on the scene. Come on, boys, and rattle your tympanic muscles for me. Well, maybe they're shy, but surely they like what they see, which is that I'm a lady cicada, awake after a 17-year snooze. Just a single cicada, ready for a few less hours of cruising. Time to find me a partner, somebody with whom to start that one-day family. Oh, I'm not a picky cicada who wants to make a nymph with me. Anybody? Okay, this isn't funny. Or have all the bachelors gone? And now that I think of it, I don't see gals either on this lawn. I know I was sleeping with thousands of others like me. So why no cicadas as far as my 5 eyes can see? Oh, we have the 2 compound eyes and Friocelli, and it's not important. If this is a game of hide and go seek, it blows. I might even say that it stinks. If only I had a nose. Come on, guys, you know that our life cycle isn't that long. I better be coupled before I can finish this song. What's that in the distance? My super strong eyesight can see. A scrap of a newspaper caught in the breeze is calling me. Is that today's date? Cart me off to the Bug Funny farm. My panic is fanned because it's later than planned by my own 3 right hands. Not sure I understand how a whole year was spanned. Guess I shouldn't have snoozed my alarm. I'm the only cicada. I slept an extra year and now I'm screwed. Just a lonely cicada who missed her chance to be a part of Brood 10. No way I'll find a partner when all potential dates are infants buried in the ground. Oh, what a stupid cicada to think that maybe I'd be found. Well, thanks for listening to me in my hour of need. This world is cold and lonely when you miss your chance to breed. And you're so sympathetic with your triangular face. how you listen to my lonely tale with the ears along your abdomen, your manly mesothorax and metathorax too, antennae and antennal shelf, oh, all the parts of you. And how could I have missed it? Your 4 powerful wings, your timbral cover, and your mouth parts make my copulatory organs sing, because you're another cicada. You slept through all the hubbub just like me. You're the other cicada who missed your chance to mate 'cause you were sleeping. Guess we just found our partners, somebody with whom to start that one day family. Oh, be my lover, cicada. Come on and sing this song with me. Oh, never mind, don't sing. I'll sing. We're the only cicadas in 2022, the year of us. King and queen of cicadas, or emperor and empress, we're not fussy. So we may not have subjects, but ruling's so much easier when it's just you and I, love. We're the apex cicadas. It's so romantic I could cry. Now let's go mate before we die. That's any minute, gotta fly. So what's your name?